We're gonna go ahead and do the Boxycharm unboxing. We're gonna go ahead and do a try-on version. So let's just do this. Ignore my mess. I could have cleaned it, but I ain't got the time. So this is my box. I got it this weekend. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. This is what my box looks like. Every single box is different now. The first thing in here, which is something that I guess I could use, we're gonna try this one on. Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. That's a tongue twister. But yeah, it's like, okay, yeah, that feels so weird. Oh my god, it felt like it feels like the consistency of glue, but once it's like on your face, like it kind of like dries out, and now like it's kind of like melting into the skin. So I don't know how this is gonna work. We'll see. My face is starting to get a little smoother and that glue texture is going away. The next thing that we did get in here are something that I could have freaking used. This is a Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. They have 3 of them. I don't think I got this brand in this box before, but you know that I am obsessed with face masks, guys. So guess where you're going? Right there. You got it right. You know what? Yeah, they sent this before. The next thing that I got in here is a So Rich. This is a cuticle like oil. I do have a cuticle oil already from NCLA, and I do like it. It's the vitamin E oil that I got, but basically it's just like in a little like dropper. You put it on your cuticles and then like you rub it in, you know, whatever. It's oil. It works okay. It is alright. It smells decent. The fourth thing that we got in here is this. This is a Bang Beauty. This is a chocolate gel eyeliner, and I did swatch this. This is what it looks like. I wanted to see if I would be able to use this in my brows, but it's just way too light for me. As far as a like winged eyeliner, it might look good with like a natural kind of look, but I don't see myself using this today. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, which is the whole reason why I wanted to go ahead and do like a try-on version with this box. You guys, this palette, it's gonna be a challenge. So is that they sent me this liquid lipstick, so I'm just gonna show you guys it really fucking quick because I'm not gonna wear, am I gonna wear this? I don't think I'm gonna wear this. It's a Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal. And I have messed with these before. I do have a few of them. They are not like a liquid lipstick. I would compare them to like a very pigmented lip gloss. That's what it looks like right there. Yeah, I don't see myself wearing this, so I will not be putting this on today. Okay, so here's the palette right here. This one is Party Animal. She came out with 2 of them. I think the other one was like Boss Babe or something like that, and that one would have been like really freaking awesome to get in here. It's just so hard. Like, you need other colors to work with this. But that being said, I'm gonna try my best not to do that today. I have to get a baby wipe. So there's the yellow or greenish yellow. There's the orange. This is all natural lighting too, so you don't have to worry. Ooh, that purple though is fierce. And then we have the 2 blues in here. I'm not really a big fan of blues, however they do kind of like contrast with brown eyes, but I don't see myself using those 2 colors today. So these are the colors that you see here, and I think I'm gonna stick to these on top. So again, it's a party. I literally had to go pick up my son from school very soon, and I would very much appreciate not looking like a clown. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take like a denser brush, and I'm gonna take the orange, which is Drinks, and kind of like actually focus this into the socket of my eye. So like, see this? That right there, that thing that makes your eye look super freaking creepy, when you do that, that's your socket. That's where you want to put this color. Already, like, judging off of this shit, I'm really hoping that this blends well, because it seemed to just like stick. Oh my gosh, that line is still there. Do you see that? Like, I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush then and try to fix this a little bit. Like the pigmentation is there. It's just like so hard to like blend out, you know? Yeah, okay, so these colors definitely are not blending well. I don't know, like I just literally like do not know what to do right now. I might have to make this into like a cut crease because this shit is not like blending out of my fucking socket. I'm gonna have to wear false eyelashes to fix this shit. I'm gonna take more of that like It's a Party to try to like help blend it out right here on the edge. So I'm putting it like right on the edge of that orange to help blend it out into that like yellowish green shade. Hopefully it helps out. Like, oh my god, I just want to give up. Ugh. Hopefully this isn't a fail. At this point, like, I don't even care if it gets on the lid. I'm officially worried for my life right now. Like, putting it on like the actual like lid of my eye. This little wand right here really does help. See that? The concealer transferred. Krystal, what is going on with you today? Just fuck this day, like for real though. Bottoms up, it's pink with like some glitter in it, and honestly, I don't know how I feel about putting this pink on the lid, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it. My shade is very messy. There is a bit of fallout. Seriously, I am regretting my fucking decisions right now to do this video and to do this look. Like, I do have to take off very fucking soon. And I gotta leave the house like this. Great. So, this is what we are left with. The orange has faded. And I am kind of like building it up a bit. Clean up. Everybody, everywhere. For real, just leave it that way because I gotta move on. Maybe I'll fix it later. Hopefully I don't fuck this part up again. I think each shade is beautiful, but it's more of like a shade, like shades to have on their own. You know what I mean? I think they're really hard to blend together too, as you can see. So let me just say that the time that I'm wasting on trying to blend this shit and make it look decent, it's not worth it. Like just don't. Just really like don't. Okay. So I just did a face. I applied winged eyeliner and one coat of mascara just so you can kind of see what it looks like with mascara. It doesn't look bad, but I am going to apply false lashes because I do want that dramatic effect. So again, going back with Hungover, we're going to blend this onto the lower lash line. It's still really bright to look over here. I look like a clown right now. I feel like a clown. I never wear this much makeup. It is late as hell. I'm just going to apply some highlighter in the inner corner of my eye as well as the eyebrow bone. And this is what I'm going to be using. I used it in my last makeup tutorial, my everyday makeup look. And it is a super pack on top. Would you guys be like interested in like an eyebrow tutorial? Because I do my own eyebrows. I just want to know, like, would you be interested? Okay guys, I'm back. So that's it for this unboxing slash makeup look tutorial, whatever. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and leave any recommendations or comments down below in the comments area because you know that I get back to you as fast as I can. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the little bell button so you can get notified of all of my videos. And yes, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.